you're here. Oh, sorry, Amita ma'am was a little busy, children. So, dear nursery children, how are you? How are you doing? Fine. Alright. So, you must be thinking, what is ma'am thinking with the egg? You know, children, what happened? A few days back, I was drinking milk. When I was drinking milk, I thought that from where does this milk come? Then I didn't know. Then you know what happened? After a few days, I was having an omelette. While I am having an omelette, what is in where? How does mummy make an omelette, children? From egg, isn't it? So while having an omelette, I thought, who gives us eggs? From where does the eggs come? Do you know? Do you know? Tumi ki jano? I didn't know. So then I thought, acha, from where does this honey comes? That day you remember we made something with honey. So I was also making something with honey. I was making honey bread actually. So I was thinking, who gives us honey? So all this was in my mind. Amar mathay eshob ghurchilo. Then I started looking around. I started seeing that from where does this come? And you know, children, what did I find? I found that the animals, they come to us from animals. Now all your teachers, they are discussing about pet animals, farm animals, wild animals. By now you must have known a lot of farm animals like sheep, goat, so many wild animals, so many farm animals, isn't it, children? Yes, and you know, these farm animals, they are very helpful to us, alright? So some of the animals, they are giving us lot of things. We get lot of things from many animals. Do you know? Today I will show you a few things that we get from animals, alright? See, I have brought for you some things, you know. See over here, what do you see? You see this? Yes. What do I have? I've got a glass of milk. I have got a bottle of honey. Yes. I have got an egg. I have got a ball of wool. I also have some paneer, a piece of paneer with me, and also a packet of curd. Curd meaning doi. So all these things I brought with me today. You know why? Because I want to show you something. You must be thinking, who gives us milk? You know what I found? Who gives us milk, children? The cow gives us milk. Alright. So who gives us milk, children? The cow gives us milk. Do you want to see this picture? See over here. The cow. Who gives us milk, children? Like this, in many of your houses, you can see the milk is coming in the packets. And then we put them in the glass and we have it. Alright, we have warm milk. Sometimes we have a milkshake or something. And milk is very good for our health. It gives us lot of strength. Khub shakti daya amade milk. Okay. So cow gives us milk. Acha. Now, what is this animal, children? What is this animal? You must have seen this in the farm animal. This is hen. Correct. So, what is this picture that you can see? Yes, it is egg. So, what does hen give us, children? Hen gives us eggs. Alright. So, from where does the eggs come? The eggs come from hen, from ducks also sometimes. So, most of the birds, you know, the birds give us eggs, but the eggs that we eat, they usually come from কে দেয় আমাদের যে এগগুলো আমরা খাই কে দেয় hen দেয় ducks দেয় and mummy কি বানায় egg দিয়ে do you all like to have eggs? It is very good nowadays. You must have one egg every day. It gives us ভিতর থেকে খুব immunity দেয়. Okay, so you must try to have eggs. You can have a boiled egg, you can have poached, you can have omelette, whatever you like to have, but try to have an egg every day. Alright, so cow gives us milk and hen gives us eggs. Alright, now children, what is the next picture you see here? What is this animal, children? This is sheep. Yes. Can you see the body of the sheep is covered with something? What it is covered with, children? It is covered with wool. Yes. What is wool, children? This is a wool. It is usually, this is a orange color ball of wool, but ওদের গায়ে যে woolটা থাকে সেটা আমরা color করে দিই. Okay, we color the wool that we get from the sheep into different colors, আলাদা আলাদা color করি, and from that wool we make sweaters. Okay, I've brought one sweater for you. Do you want to see that? See, this is a sweater. What is the color of this sweater, children? It is brown color. So see, wool can be of different colors. This is orange color, this is brown color. It can be any color. You all must be having sweaters. And when do we wear sweater, children? We wear sweater in the cold time. যখন খুব ঠান্ডা লাগে, winter season এ তখন sweater পরলে we keep ourselves warm. আমাদের গরম রাখে sweaterটা, isn't it? So children, what did you learn? Who gives us this wool, children? Who gives us wool? The sheep gives us wool. Who gives us wool? The sheep gives us wool. আর ওই wool দিয়ে আমরা কি বানাই? Sweaters, shawls, woolen caps, অনেক কিছু বানাই, gloves বানাই, অনেক কিছু হয়. Okay? Now, what is this next picture, children? This is a honeybee. What is this? This is a honeybee. What does the honeybee gives us? It gives us a bottle of honey. See, this is a bottle of honey. That day you had made that, you know, the immunity drink we had made in the online class. What did we put in that? We had put এক চামচ honey, হার্দিক চামচ honey দিয়েছিলাম না? So this is that honey. So who gives us this honey, children? Bee gives us. It is sweet. খুব মিষ্টি হয় খেতে. So this honeybee gives us honey, and honey is very good because it keeps আমাদের ভিতরতে, it keeps the diseases away. সব রকমের disease কে দূরে রাখে. It keeps us healthy. It is very good for our skin also. Okay, so this honeybee gives us honey. All right, and children, I have also got some things that we make from milk. So see, this is milk. Milk দিয়ে আমরা কি কি বানাই? আমরা paneer বানাতে পারি. We can make, you can also make the dahi, you know, the dahi, the curd out of milk, and also cheese. You must be loving cheese and all that. So there are a lot of things that we can make from milk also. So all these animals, the cow, the sheep, the bee, you know, everybody is very useful to us, and we must also take good care of our animals. All right. Now parents, from the set of worksheets that you have got on the 8th of September from the school, now from the EVS set, please take out this worksheet. Match the animals with the things they gave us. So you need to take out this worksheet. Please write down the date in which the children, they will do this worksheet. Also the time has been mentioned as 15 minutes, and write down the name of the child over here. Alright, now children, what will you do? You have to match. What do you have to match? The animals. Can you see there are some animals over here with the things that they give us? You have to match the animals with the things that they give us. Now I have discussed so many things with you. What is the first picture over here? This is a cow. Now what does a cow give us? Does a cow give us wool? No. Does the cow give us egg? No. Does the cow give us milk? Yes. So we get milk from the cow. So you're going to match the picture. Alright. Now what is the next animal? Sheep. What does the sheep give us? Wool. Yes, the sheep gives us wool. So please match it correctly. Now the next picture is what? The honeybee. What does the honeybee give us? Wool? No. Eggs? Not again. And milk? No. Then what does the honeybee gives us? I have shown you a bottle of honey. The honeybee gives us honey that we keep inside the bottle. So over here I am matching it correctly. Now last, what does the hen gives us, children? Yes, you are right. The hen gives us egg. Okay, or eggs, and I am going to match it like this. After you finish matching, children, you have to color the picture also. Okay. Now see, children, I have already colored the worksheet very nicely. I have shown you how to match, and now I have colored the worksheet very neatly. The egg is white, the milk is white, the cow is black and white, and the rest of the things you can, color as you want it to. Alright, so this is the way you will finish the worksheet very neatly. Alright, children? Okay, children. So you have seen that what we get from animals. Come, let us revise everything. Arekbar kore amra shobai bolun. We are all going to revise it. Okay? So say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come, say with me now. We get milk from the cow. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come, say with me now. We get milk from the cow. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come, say with me then. We get eggs from the hen. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come, say with me then. We get eggs from the hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come, say with me. When we sleep, we get wool from the sheep. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come, say with me. When we sleep, we get wool from the sheep. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come, just say with me. We get honey from the bee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come, just say with me. We get honey from the bee. Alright? Yes? So that's all for right now. Bye bye, children. Take care.